Hello, young explorers, and welcome back to our deep dive lesson. Look up. The tiny bird you see soaring is a part of one of the greatest, most challenging journeys on earth migration. Every year, billions of birds travel thousands of miles across continents and oceans. Today, we are uncovering the secrets behind this massive journey. Get your scientist hats on. First, let's talk about the why. Why do birds bother making such a long, dangerous trip? The main reason is survival. As seasons change, the main source of their food disappears. Imagine a robin that loves juicy worms. When winter freezes the ground, the worms are gone. So, these birds must move to warmer places where food is still plentiful. They also travel to find the perfect, safe spots to build their nest and raise their chicks. This entire incredible journey is driven by a powerful natural instinct. They just know when it's time go. Now for the real science. How do they find their way? Birds don't use maps or GPS, but they have something even better, an incredible built-in navigation system. They use three main clues: the sun and stars. Just like ancient sailors, they look at the position of the sun during the day and the patterns of the constellations at the night to stay on course. Next one, the Earth's magnetic compass. This is the coolest part. Many birds have a natural internal magnetic compass. They can actually feel the Earth's invisible magnetic field. This allows them to follow magnetic lines straight to their destination even when it's cloudy or dark. It's a true wild science superpower. Making such a long trip requires amazing physical preparation. Think of it like a human athlete training for a marathon. Birds must gain a lot of body weight, sometimes almost doubling their size by eating constantly before they leave. These extra fat acts like the fuel tank for their entire journey. And finally, birds use clever teamwork, especially when flying in a V formation. When the bird at the front cuts through the air, it creates a small lift or updraft for the birds behind it. This saves energy for the entire flow, making the whole journey easier. They take turns leading, sharing the hard work. From using the stars as a roadmap to fueling up with fat and flying in formation. Bird migration is truly one of the nature's greatest deep dive lessons. It shows us how incredible animal anatomy, instinct, and teamwork can be. Did you learn something amazing about migration? Let us know which migration bird is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.